Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is playing a tape with Queenie, and it is, it started off very well, but then it turned into something that is different, the unexpected, and so he's showcasing that, and you could run ahead and watch the video and see, what transpired in this video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for coming back to watch here on Mixup. Love you guys and have a wonderful morning. Blessings.
Listen, that's what I always tell people. Go wherever you want to go. Go wherever you want to go. And don't let me be a hindrance to none of you. Listen, go sit down and listen to anybody don't want to listen to you here. And that's the thing there. Anyway, me I chat too much. Make we go down in night. Voila. Make we go down in night.
It's our morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine, fine, thank you.
Let's start nice. Let's start nice.
You still haven't told me what you want for your birthday.
I know more from my birthday.
Let's start nice. Wait.
My birthday is Friday, the 25th, the day before Thanksgiving.
Okay, so you have to either way.
Yeah.
That is Lisa Hype and Queenie. When I hear some things, talk on the mind, not talk on the mind. Listen, talk on the mind.
You know where
that is all I shall say.
Don't worry about a thing.
Cause every little thing gonna be alright. You want to hear the song for me?
Well, on there, I forgot skip a little toops more.
Say it again.
Well, I'm going to party.
Stupid coffee and I say, wake up this morning. Lisa, your service have play up. Lisa, you've been freezed.
Well, I'm gonna want to look at toops more. I'm gonna look at toops more. Well,
Friday next week is my birthday. Friday next week is my birthday. Friday next week is my birthday. People in, if you, the good thing is my daughter. Father and grandma, how's your daughter?
Very pure and clean. And you see, if you're never pure and clean, I would not help you. But me know you. Me know you.
Yeah.
You want to hear the song? The song go, G to the O to the D, God, 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 Imam Healer,
oh no, yeah,
God, Redeemer, God,
God.
And now let me God shortly.
G to the O to the D, God, G to the O to the D, God,
Bomba, pam, pam,
G to the O to the D, God, G to the O to the D, God, G to the O to the D. All right, okay,
yeah, G to the O to the D, God. G to the O to the D. God. G to the O to the D. God.
G to the O.
And now gonna be God very short. It's gonna be devil and demon.
God, I'm on it. It's a good song.
Why?
Yeah, man. Me healer. Healer. Your redeemer. My savior. My everything.
Right, that's a girl.
Amen. He is.
Amen.
That's true.
To God be the glory, great things he has done. To God be the glory. With Father God, we have to put him first in everything in a Lisa.
Of course.
All of my mind, I'm a power.
Oh, well, Lisa never baptized. Never baptized.
Who give you the power? Who give you the power?
Father God.
Yes, you have to respect him and thank him every day for that power there.
Amen, amen. Little links tomorrow, your interview, baby. Sorry. Go on, Lisa. Yeah.
What is it?
No, I'm referring to little
I like
links.
your nails.
I
like your nails.
Hey, honestly, God, me not tell you lie now. Lisa, move a little bit shaky. Man, move a little bit shaky.
Thank you. I'm a like
all right.
Power me up. So you don't know girl power empowerment.
Yeah, I like it. I like.
Yeah.
I like your list song, nice.
Yeah, thank you. It make me unique, innit?
Is she okay?
Yeah, it make you unique.
About my list song.
No, man, this song, like, you know how much friend me have with this song?
Mama gonna want to look at more tops.
nice.
Me gonna want to look at more tops.
Like the old of me call God, I don't like it, Mr. Rich.
God, no watch you. No watch you know everything what I go on. Me just do.
I ask, what do you figure?
Everybody will feel like a sicker rhyme to me that talk yesterday. I never sicker rhyme.
Well on, let me back it up. Well on.
Rich.
New ever rich.
Collector rich.
When you're rich, when we make you rich.
I ask.
When we make you rich, you don't do anything you want.
Rich. Music rich, rich.
I ask, what do you figure?
Ever rich.
Collector rich.
You done reach in a spirit and in a truth already, you know.
Truth. Thank you. Truth.
Big up Queenie.
No watch you. You know everything what go on.
Pop to it, tell me.
Yeah.
Everybody will feel like a sicker rhyme to me that talk yesterday. I never sicker rhyme to me that talk yesterday. I was talking about her husband.
I'm
I don't know where you want sicker of.
Well,
Me
Lisa,
no
you
know
come
what
and say
I
you're back to my husband. You have
Your
some
husband
problems.
love you.
Yeah, the weird.
Your husband love you.
Yeah, but you can't tell me say you're gonna give me husband graduator. I get it later. I mean
Alright, you know why I'm telling you.
if I didn't ever know say my husband you talk to them, I never ever entertain it, Lisa, cause everybody
You know why I'm saying I'm gonna do that?
yeah.
Because my disrespect you and it hurt.
Yeah, but you can't take up that for your head and come this my husband publicly because you have my husband that's not because you are reaching to me.
Queenie right. On the top now.
That's the people them are going to talk. Yeah, but that is rude, Lisa. And Lisa, if you say let me, baby.
And you ain't hurt you again, me I go.
But when I'm hurt me, I know you still can't back to my Lisa and you're a place that is rude no matter how bad it is.
Alright.
You still have to check what you said to me about my husband because I am very defensive for him. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so right there and then yesterday you come, you build up a big up.
But I never stick around me and talk still. I just want the crowd more. When you want to stick up, what sticker do for you?
Me not call nobody name, it's alright. Just make me hear on the godson. Cause you see me, baby, just know that I call it on you. Cause me I tell you now,
What?
you say you take me in, but if you take me in, if you take me in, you're going to fuck my life, come tell me you go back smack.
No, you know what I'm telling you. You know why?
So you help me, Lisa, I'm very
no, me hurt.
My husband this for me now.
But the things they went to you. You can't tell me not a queenie. You have your way you want to fight me? You want to fight me?
No, I'm not fighting me, I tell them the truth. So you come here
you can't fight me to do it for love you and show your respect.
Yeah, but you can't tell me what I love me and show me respect. I know you're a place that I know nobody place.
Alright then, I'm sorry.
Well, I'm not going to this dirty blood clot and the can't talk. Nobody now this husband and me take it. So Lisa,
alright.
See all that when you come in, you just change my atmosphere right now.
On the year. Queenie get taught.
It's okay. Alright, you're going to give me a chance to talk. You are going to give me a chance.
Queenie get taught in God.
You're going to give me a chance to talk.
It no matter, baby. I do my eyebrow. No matter.
You alone can't talk. You alone can't talk. You alone cannot talk. That is not our conversation, go. You know what I want to collab?
Me no want you, no.
Queenie, I got the foot.
Apologize.
Alright, you not to apologize, baby.
So me and you can't talk. Me and you can't talk. You can't hold a conversation. Once the conversation now, what do we owe you?